Lemon chiffon cake is not easy peasy, but one sweet slice makes life feel breezy. Hey, Big Val.
Hey, Frida.
Captain Breadhook and Chessie are still out there with Bungledorf. I know, and now Jeannie's gone. I think Jeannie made a friend on her way to help them. Well, they're having some kind of fun. 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Sift those together and set it aside for a moment. Listen, sugar, I don't do wishes, but I do a mean moonwalk. Wait a minute. What if you are Jeannie and you just don't know it? All right. Whites, yolks. You can't get any yolks mixed in with the whites, or they won't whip up into a cloud.
Uh-oh.
See?
See?
There. One burst. You can't use this at all. Big Val! Hey, Big Val, be careful there. Eggs are expensive nowadays. Listen, that's 7 yolks into half a cup of oil. And put the whites into your mixer bowl. 3/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. That's 2 of our little lemons there. And be careful not to go down to the white part because that's bitter. The zest and juice bring a sunny surprise, a golden delight that dazzles the eyes. Maybe you got anesthesia. Maybe you hit your head on a cosmic disco ball and forgot all about your wish-making ways. What? Oh, darling, that is rich. You really think I got wish-granting anesthesia? Hey, space is weird. Stranger things have happened. Now the egg whites. Half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Whisk these to stiff peaks. You get a cloud on top, just like this. Take about 1/4 of your meringue and mix it into the batter. This is called sacrificing because it deflates the air but loosens up the batter to accept the rest of the meringue that keeps the little tiny bubbles that you just whisked into it. So, whip up those whites till they're light as air. Fold them in gently with love and care. It takes some time, but don't despair. The fluffy reward is beyond compare. Notice the ungreased pan. No prep here at all. Bake for 55 minutes, then turn up your oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes longer until a skewer comes out clean. All right, let's test it. If you are a genie, then maybe you can grant me just one teeny little wish. All right, sugar. What's your wish? Turn it upside down and let it cool all the way. Our pan has little feet here just for that purpose. Okay, so I have to tell on ourselves. We mixed in baking soda on the first cake instead of baking powder, and our cake fell right out. Our front yard birds got that one. We're such loonies around here. I wish for a triple layer cosmic chocolate cake with a caramel lava core and sprinkles made from real stardust. Oh, honey, that I can make.
Yay!
The lemon curd Whipped frosting starts with lemon curd. In your favorite saucepan, zest 4 little lemons. 2/3 cup of butter and 5 ounces of lemon juice, which is pretty much all the juice from those lemons. 2/3 cup of sugar. What the? Oh my, that ain't a cake. My bad, sugar. I guess I ain't a genie after all. But hey, a jiggle's real nice. This is bullshit. Nah, honey, this is hilarious. On medium heat, stir it all together and bring it up to the steaming. That's about 130 degrees, 150. Also, whisk together 3 eggs and 3 yolks. You can freeze those whites too. Watch this short next. And while whisking the yolks, drizzle it in. It's called tempering, and it brings up the egg temperature without making scrambled eggs. Back onto the medium heat and stir it constantly until it thickens and gets over 120 degrees. Ours heated up rather quickly, and we got a lot of bits of eggs. See? And don't forget the bottom. Cover it with plastic wrap so a skin doesn't form, and let that chill to as cold as the heavy cream. So, how about you let me out of here before I grant you another special surprise? All right, you big blue showboat. I'll let you out before you grant me something worse, like a space tornado made of whipped cream. Talk about heavy cream. Whisk 3 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of powdered sugar and half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. The cream of tartar keeps the cream from weeping later, and we like happy cream. 4 teaspoons or an ounce of instant vanilla pudding mix, and at this point you have reinforced whipped cream, and it stands up much firmer all by itself. All right. Let's try this the old-fashioned way. Oh, ta-da! Jazz hands. Whoa. You sure you ain't got magic? This ain't magic. This is style. Now that I'm free, sugar, tell me something. Where exactly are we going? Add in half the lemon curd and whisk. We're gonna use the rest of the lemon curd in a moment. Look how easy it is to cut the cake in half. Place your knife on the side of the cake and turn your cake. Make a little moat with your frosting and spoon in the rest of the curd for a delightful surprise. Our cake is very crumbly, so we put on a crumb coat. This will seal in the crumbs so you don't wipe them into the outer coat when you frost it. Chill it for 15 to 20 minutes and let it set up. It took all the frosting to cover it. It looks rather plain, doesn't it? Maybe some zest on top or blueberries. What would you do to jazz it up? Well, I was looking for my friends, but now I got a sparkly stowaway. Oh, baby, you ain't got a stowaway, you got a sidekick. Oh, sweet caramel calamity. I don't know.